What's up, peeps? So today, LASFIT LED Lighting sent me these LED rear turn signal bulbs for Betty. So I'm going to be showing you how these things work, and I'm going to show you how to put them in your car. Should be pretty similar to other cars, but this is specific to a 7th gen Accord sedan. Let's get started. So here's what they look like before with the regular incandescent bulbs. Now they're already kind of bright on their own, but I'm interested to see how these new ones look after I put them in. So it's pretty simple to change the rear turn signals in a 7th gen Accord sedan. I don't know about the coupes, but wait a minute, there's something on the lens. I gotta think. Oh, okay, so that's better now. So I'm just gonna show you how to do one. So for mine, I put this ghetto net, so I used drywall screws. So you won't have to do that. So I have to just undo that, then it'll come out, and then, you know, drop that. And then this applies to anyone. So first I'd take this piece off, so you just find it by the side and then just pull. It sounds like something's breaking, but you're good. But yeah. And then after that is just this pin, but normally it shouldn't be that hard to pull out. And then you just pull back like this. At least for mine, it's easy like this. Then you just twist the bulb out, and there's the old bulb. And here's the new bulbs, so they're in this little package. So you just, you know, take it out. You don't need instructions to take out bulbs.
A dumbass.
So the bulbs are kind of bigger than the old bulbs, but it's not like they're gonna have any clearance issues or anything. Right, so you just pull it. I can try with one hand. Yes, okay, but try not to break it. I didn't break it, thankfully. All right, so you just put it in the socket. You just have to find it, and then crappy camera work, I know. Find where it clicks in. So you kind of just have to fiddle around with it, and then you're good. So I'm just gonna see how one of them looks like compared to the other one. All right, so we're gonna holy shit. That's like, oh, that's like.
That's literally like if I'm behind your light, you're gonna blind me.
Yeah, that's like blinding at night. That might be. We will find out tonight. That's nice, but it looks a lot nicer than before. This is like more amber. This one's kind of yellowish and poopy looking. So let me put the other one in and then show you guys what it looks like. So I think these are really bright. I like them. I mean, I wanted this bright LED light look. I mean, they're a lot brighter than the original ones, so like any car especially, I think it'll look really good. I mean, you know, they are only one-sided, so if they don't work on one side, they're just like regular LEDs. They'll work on the other side. There's not much else to know. I mean, it's just plug and play. There's no resistors or anything, at least for these, because I have resistors on my fronts because those are switchbacks. So I'm not sure actually, but if you do need resistors, they're not that hard to wire in. You just wire it to the positive and the negative, and you're good. So I think that's the end of the video. So bye, peeps.